Welcome once again to the magnificent Horseshoe Point Resort and Country Club for another equine adventure, where the stylish reception area gives way to the main courtyard. Nicely furnished suites open out to the impressive view of the main arena, adorned with photos of past champions. A waterfall spills into the inviting swimming pool. And outside you can enjoy a walk in the lush tropical garden. It's a beautiful resort here.
Yes. Well, thank you for coming, and I'd like to welcome everybody to come and experience the Horseshoe Point, which we are trying to make it as a recreation center in the Eastern Seaboard, where family can meet with and their guests that they can bring here and enjoy as their own country club.
And what sort of activities can people enjoy here, Chaikiri?
Well, we have many activity. The main soul of it is mainly relating to horses, which we have many high quality horses. We have good experienced instructor that can bring you from basic to right to the ultimate of riding in the Horseshoe Point.
And in the show arena, Sherry Sri Feng Fung was taking one of her advanced students through her paces. And later we met up with Pedro Sebastian, keenly overseeing his beginner's intermediate class. Gently and patiently instructing and imparting his years of experience and love of riding. The youngsters in turn gaining confidence, skills and technique. After class, the buggy cars are on hand to take you back to the resort proper. Distinctive yellow of reception contrasts with the salmon pink of the show arena. Early next morning I joined Sherry for a lesson and evaluation before being adjudged ready enough to take to the trails that lace their way through the surrounding countryside. Cooler early morning is the best time to explore the country, and the gentle pace gives you plenty of time to appreciate the natural beauty of Horseshoe Point. Trails take you through the woods that skirt dams and lakes. Where the eucalypts give way to grasslands. And it's a relaxing, most enjoyable ride that takes about an hour or so. experienced instructors with you at all times to ensure your safety and to pass on their riding tips. And when we stopped for a break, I spoke with Sherry. Sherry, it's a lovely trail. Do you take all your guests out here?
Yes, normally we come out here all the time.
Yeah.
Yes.
And how much experience do you have to come on the trail?
Well, you need to have like a couple of lessons that we can be sure that you're going to be all right. And then you can come out.
And taking it nice and easy like we've done this morning. Walking
Yes.
first, a little bit of trotting.
Yes.
Yeah. A beautiful countryside.
Yes, it is. Especially the pineapple plantation. We always gallop through the plantation. It's a good fun, I can tell you.
The romance of the Three Kingdoms theme park provided a stunning backdrop as Sherry and her companions galloped carefree through the pineapple field.